this video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on virtually any machine using VirtualBox. In theory it's not possible, in practice it is, because I've done it, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. Hi there, Albitastic here and welcome. To install Windows 11 on VirtualBox, you first need to download the Windows 11 ISO image, and to do that you have to be a Windows Insider. If you're not, then you need to register to become one. Just Google "register for the Windows Insider program" and you'll see a number of links. To register, you must have a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, then you'll need to open one before you can register. If you do, then just click on this link, which will take you to this page. Click on register and then sign in. It can sometimes take up to a day or so until Microsoft notifies you that you've been accepted. Once you're accepted, then Google Windows Insider Preview Downloads page, which will take you here. Click on Download Windows Insider Preview SDK, which will take you here. I'll also put a link to that in the descriptions. Once you've signed in, you're taken to this page. Scrolling down and clicking on this box will bring up a list of ISO files you can choose from. The one I chose is shown in my yellow box. Once you've chosen it, click on Confirm and then choose the language you want. Confirm it and this page will come up showing the file you chose and the download button here. Click it and the file will begin downloading.
Hello friends, if you enjoyed our video, can I ask you to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as a regular viewer. Thank you, and have a lovely day.